Hello everyone, Wendy Antonucci here, and I am here with a cherry on top and the first ever cherry box. So I already opened this, but I thought I'd share with you what's in it and then what I'm going to create with it. So in here came Ranger's Distress Oxide ink in Evergreen Bow. I have a few Distress inks, but I don't have that color. Prima flowers. I haven't played with these in a long time. I love flowers. We've got some clips from Fancy Pants. We've got Bella Boulevard's Ephemera. These are the home, and there's some hearts and houses. Then we have Authentic's 6x6 paper pad. The paper is really, really pretty. I'm looking forward to using this. Not something I would normally pick up, but I really love the colors and designs. There is the stamp set that was in there. Power Poppy. I like that hello. That's a fun little thing. And then you could even use, the little puffy things on top of that. So that'll be fun. Then here's some summer stickers, which go nicely with the colors in the paper pad. And I'm really excited about this because I've actually never tried this before. This is Aleena's Tacky Glue. So I'm looking forward to trying a new glue to see how that works. So this is what came in my little box. And now I'm going to figure out something to create. In the box is also a little postcard, and we're supposed to use the hashtag #TheCherryBox for anything that you've created with this and you want to share. So give me a minute to clean my space and I'll be back and we'll create.